a gorgeous 6-piece extra soft brushed microfiber bedding set with 4 pillowcases, 1 flat sheet, and 1 fitted sheet. I was sent this to review from Homeideas, so let me show you a closer look and set it up on my bed. The fabric feels so nice. Here's the fitted sheet. That elastic is so stretchy and it goes all the way 360 degrees around the whole fitted sheet. Then you've got the top sheet with a nice hem at the top and matching pillowcases. A nice simple envelope design. Does have a bit of a lip to help encase that pillow, keep it from slipping out. The color is gorgeous. I'm gonna get this washed and put on my bed. The fitted sheet has deep pockets fitting mattresses up to 15 inches. Woo! Yes. So soft. Oh my gosh. Made of 100% polyester, machine wash and dry, easy care. It comes in a ton of color options. This is their gorgeous aqua blue, which I got along with Homeideas' very closely colored aqua blackout curtains. Look at how gorgeous, gorgeous. This is on our queen platform bed. The material is just so nice. So nice. It actually comes with 4 pillowcases, but I only have 2 pillows, so that's what we're doing. But in case you have 2 to sleep on and then 2 kind of for decoration or extra color, FYI, or you can have 2 that are always clean and ready to swap out. Love that it comes with 4. The product page says it's made of double brushed microfiber that is breathable, stain resistant, fade resistant, and wrinkle resistant. What I know is that they washed and dried perfectly. You gotta love that easy care. And then we got our 2 backups. Woo! They also feel and look amazing. Perfection. These are so soft. I love the color. I love the easy care. They're amazing. I love these. I know you will too. And the final look with my duvet on it. So beautiful. Yes.